Is Bluehost good for beginners? If you're launching your website, you need a good hosting platform. But you might be wondering which platform will be good for hosting? If so, then you should definitely watch this video till the end. Before moving further, please subscribe to my channel for more such business ideas and digital product reviews. Okay, let's get started. Introducing Bluehost. Bluehost is an affordable, powerful, and preferred domain and hosting choice for over 2 million websites worldwide. Bluehost provides you services like WordPress hosting, hundreds of free and premium website themes, website customization, powerful plugins, and website security. These are some common features Bluehost provides. But what makes Bluehost unique from others? Let me show you. Let's start with Shared Hosting Basic Plan. Their basic plan starts with just $2.95 per month. Check the features they provide you with basic plan. That's more than enough if you are just starting. Not just shared hosting, but also their WordPress hosting plans are great. Because when it comes to website building, WordPress is the platform everyone recommends. Know more about WordPress by clicking the link in the description. Bluehost is the best at providing WordPress hosting services. Check out these plans. Their basic plan is affordable at just $2.95 per month. With Bluehost, you can build a decent WordPress website with their new drag-and-drop WordPress website builder, which is also included in their shared hosting plan. With every service, Bluehost provides free domain for 1 year. So, you only need to pay for hosting, that's it. Assuming you are choosing a basic shared hosting plan without any extra packages, then this would be the price you need to pay for 1 year. You can also start your online store, backed by the powerful tools of WooCommerce and integrated with WordPress. Bluehost is best at its services, especially for those who are looking to start a new website. You get much more than just hosting from Bluehost with their basic plan. So, that is my review about Bluehost. I also have a blog for you about Bluehost versus Godaddy with a detailed review. So please check that out, link in the description. So, what type of website would you start? Tell me in the comments below. Thanks for watching.